The following is for entertainment only. Please do your own research and draw your own conclusions. Thank you. When researching front strut replacements for my Ford Probe GT, I went to the Salvage Used website, and that's when I realized that there were two different versions, struts for the GT version and non-GT version. I then went to the Ford dealership webpage and confirmed that the GT has a sport suspension and the base has a standard suspension with two different product numbers for the strut replacements. I called the dealership and they confirmed that there's two sets of product numbers. So it looks like the Monroes were for the 2.0 base and the other number could be for the GT versions. None were in stock, of course. I went to the Mazda webpage and confirmed that they also had different part numbers. This is for just the MX-6, so maybe the V6 version. And then this product number is for the 626 MX-6 and all. And that's a different product number. Now this web page, as well as the Rock Auto web page, had many different types of struts, Sachs, TRWs, Monroes, KYBs. So it just got real confusing real fast. If the Ford dealership had Monroe in the system as an OEM brand, then who made the GT OEM? This old web page might shed some light on it. It looks like they're saying it's Toico brand. Unfortunately, I don't think they're making these shocks anymore. This brand, I think, was sold off, so it's going to be hard to find them if I want to replace my GT front shocks with as close to OEM as possible. Again, this is all speculation. I have no idea if this is right or wrong. So let's take a look at two shocks that I had sent in. I got one of the KYBs and one of the Monroes, and let's do a test and see which one is the firmest, which one has the better dampening and rebound rates. But first, take a good look at this picture of an original Probe GT strut that came off of the Elk of Canada YouTube channel. He is replacing his struts on his car. It's a great channel, check it out. But in this picture, you'll see what the original strut looks like, and that might give a clue.
Okay, here we go with some tests. I try not to spaz out too much. Press them down. They're both pretty hard to press down. And they come up at roughly the same rate. Let's do it again. I think the KYBs are a little stiffer to press down. Oh man, where are my hands? And yeah, I think they come up at the same rate. One more time. Oh man. Okay, there you go. KYB, Monroe.
So after all that, what did we learn? We learned that there were two suspensions, two different types of suspensions for the GT versus the base. We've learned that there's no OEM shocks available at all anymore because they're all discontinued. And it looks like the KYBs are a little stiffer than the Monroes, and they're really the only game in town, unless you want to get some expensive coilovers, and maybe I'll do that down the road. But I just need to get the car on the road right now, so I'll probably just go with the KYBs, slap them in there, and hope for the best. Please leave your comments, and thank you for watching. Hope I didn't bore too many people. Thank you.